Here we have a Volkswagen e-Golf. Now it's a Mark 7 facelift, 136 PS. The car is fantastic and it has a spec to match, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, an automatic post-collision braking system, distance monitoring, a forward collision warning system, a city emergency brake, and this is all alongside these beautiful 16-inch alloy wheels. Now moving on to the boot. The boot is a good size and it even comes with a charging cable as well. The interior has 2-zone climate control, a multi-device interface and a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.